Today, so I've got my Stihl 20-inch bar and chain, lightweight, ES as you can see, and this is a $67 20-inch delivered, $67 20-inch Hurricane through Jono and Jono on eBay, 3/8 as well. This is going on this ProMac 700, but I thought I'd weigh what's going on. So this is copper. I also have other multiple hobbies, but that weighs 988 grams. Should put that back there, and then let's weigh the Stihl first with chain. 1.266 or 1266 grams versus 1458. Let's just check that. Yep, 1458. So 64. What did I say? 1264? Hang on. I'm writing this down. 1267. Yes, 1267. Got that written down. And 1458. 1458. What's the maths on that? So 1458 minus, sorry, I know if I go to the calculator, I'll cancel a vid and I'll be upset. 1267, 1, 3, 1, 9, 1, 1. Whoops. No, 0. 191 grams. There you go, I do maths good. So, what I'm getting at is a super expensive lightweight bar and chain versus a cheap chain for 191 grams worth it? For me, I don't think so. If you were cutting trees every day, maybe. But I just homeowner stuff. But have a look at this bar. And I can't remember what side it is. On that side? Yeah, there you go. See that there? Cracked. I don't carry it, I don't wedge it, I don't do anything hard to it. Maybe I did. I can't remember doing it, but yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm liking the cheapy bars for an extra 191 grams, 67 versus 300. There you go.